Essingman,
Hi David, how are you?
you good? Let's see if other people joined.
Yeah.
Everyone,
Understood.
let's see if others join. Um, if not, we'll have a quick one just to give you guys an update where we are.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe let's get started. So quick update for the team. Stingman and I have been working on setting up the design. We have a CPU chiplet with a complete bump map that basically has, let me see if I can pull it up and show it. Hmm, give me a moment here to open this. So we have the CPU chiplet with HBM4 PHYs, UCs on three sides, and the CPU cores in the middle. We have the complete bump map for this, showing all sides. Let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger. So that is the chiplet that Sigmund and I created. Then we already had the HBM. Is it in here? No, this is just the phi. Okay, we have the HBM chiplet somewhere. I don't remember where it is, but anyway, and we have the top level placement and the substrate level placement and netlist for this. All right, these are, you can see the HBMs and the CPUs are in here. Yeah, this has everything. So our next task, we talked about it, and we are gonna switch a little bit gear. Since we already did implementation of the memory chiplet and the CPU chiplet, next task would be to start with the to look at the substrate routing rules, stack up, things like that. And in parallel, try to get the simulations out of the RISC-V core so that we can get some toggles and we can get some power for these chips. So that's where we are. And we'll proceed on that slowly. Well, not slowly. I mean, we'll be proceeding in that direction. With all the UCs and power and grounds and everything. Okay. Any questions, Boone? Yes, Sigmund, you were going to say something?
No.
No, no. I don't know what questions.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, then we'll.
The price for this one, it is what's the dimensions for overall of this one?
The CPU chiplet is 11 by 11. HBM is 11 by 14, I think. And the substrate, we put it down as 50 by 80. We can
Substrate
always
is
50 by 80.
oh okay. So everything is fully filled up.
Say that again. If everything is fully, I didn't catch the last part.
The CPU plus the HBM fill up the substrate the full area.
Yes. I guess.
Fully
Well, I guess. What do you mean by fully? Right? We left some space outside. We'll see if we'll need to put any caps or things like that. See how that would look.
the empty space surroundings, then you should have some I mean from the assembly point of view, there should be some dummy die that you should have those connection as well, right?
You mean for stability, for mechanical stability?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. We'll get there. We haven't gotten there yet. We'll see at which point we actually do structural analysis of this and see what we need to place around this, whether we need to place a stiffener or something like that. We'll see. We just haven't gotten there. Our focus right now was up until now was creating the chiplets themselves. And I think we are there. Sigmund has created the latest net list with all the correct wrappers, all the UC pins and everything. So we have the chiplet net lists. We already know how to implement the chiplet, so we'll do that after we look at the substrate routing. Structural, mechanical, thermal, these will come a little bit later. I know we're not doing this in the right order. Well, now is the time to look at mechanical, but I think we can get there. Actually, mechanical should be very interesting considering we're using glass for this. It would be interesting to see how that looks.
Not, I mean, not to analyze the mechanical part, but then the empty space as eventually in the actual production it would be filled out with the dummy die.
Yes.
So that's I should have the visibilities. I mean, if it's a complete work from the to the assembly perspective, meaning that's ready for actual production assembly, then I should see the dummy dies surrounding it, and then yeah. So that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah. So I hear what you're saying. I think dummy die placement and amount and sizes are still based off of structural of mechanical concerns, right? Warpage and things like that. So so that's why I was saying I will do a look at warpage a little bit later. First we want to get into SIPI, right, and routing of the substrate, see how that looks. And then we can look into mechanical and dummy dies and stiffeners and things like that. But yeah, thank you for reminding me about mechanical. I don't think we had that on our radar yet, but we'll put it in the list of things to do. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I guess that's it for today then. We'll keep on working on this and we'll talk again next week.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Thanks, guys. Talk to you next week.
Thank you.
Have a nice weekend.
Happy Friday. Yep.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Happy Friday. Yeah, that's right.
All right.
All right.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.